Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to depreciation. Most of the students are having some doubts relating to depreciation, so I am making the video relating to depreciation chapter, and this will be useful for both inter students as well as degree students. And for intermediate, this will be asked as a 5 marks question, and as it is a short question, okay, for them, and similar question may be asked for the degree students for 4 to 12 marks. So let us see the answer relating to it. So Neelama purchased a machine on 1st April 2017. Please remember the date. This will be useful for us. Okay. So 1st April 2017 for rupees 7,000. Provide 10% depreciation under original cost method. Which method? Original cost method, or you can call it as straight line method. You may call it as straight line method or fixed installment method, or for all these we need to follow the straight line method itself. Okay, whether they say straight line method, original cost method, or they may call historical cost method, or they may call it as fixed installment method, okay, or they may call it as equal installment method or straight line method. All these are one and the same. ఈ అన్ని మెథడ్స్ ఒకటే అమ్మా. సో డేట్ ఆఫ్ పర్చేస్ ఈస్ 1st April 70,000. Provide depreciation rate is given, original cost method. On 31st March 2020 the machine was sold for 8,000. Show machine account. Okay, when they have sold, please underline the date of sale also. Okay, this is how they have been said in this question. So if you make a timeline, okay, it is been purchased in 1st April, okay, and it is been sold in the 31st March 2020, right? 1st April 2017 they have purchased and 2020 they are selling. Okay, so this is what they have been said. So working note 1, calculation of depreciation per annum. See, for original cost method, when depreciation rate is given, depreciation is equals to cost of asset into depreciation rate. Cost of asset into depreciation rate. So 70,000 into 10%, this will be depreciation per annum, that will be 12 months period 7,000. Okay, next calculation we need to do when asset has been sold. Another calculation we need to do, working note 2, calculation of profit or loss on sale of asset on 31st March 2020. We are selling the asset, so on sale of asset there will be either profit or loss. So for that purpose we need to make this working note. So how to make working note relating to it? Sale value of asset 8,000 rupees, take to the outer column. A. B less book value on the date of sale. Okay, cost of asset 70,000 less accumulated depreciation till the date of sale. Till the date of sale, whatever expenditure is incurred, we need to deduct whatever depreciation we have incurred, that we need to deduct. Okay, they didn't mention when books of accounts will be closed. In the question they didn't mention when books of accounts will be closed, but they said on 31st March they are selling the asset and it is purchased on 1st April. So it is assumed that they are following financial year, that is April to March. 1st April to March we are following, that is what you need to consider here. So फटाफट जल्दी से वर्किंग नोट देख लेंगे. So in the working note you can see here A, sale value 8,000. B, book value we are finding out. Cost is 70,000 less accumulated depreciation for 2017 to 18 depreciation whole year 7,000. For 2018 to 19 another year whole year 7,000. 2019 to 20 because straight line method na original cost method every year depreciation will be same till the date of sale, that is till 31st March 2020 depreciation will be 21,000. From 70,000 if you deduct 21,000, book value on the date of sale will become 49,000. From 8,000, repeat, from 8,000 if you deduct 49,000, loss on sale 41,000. 8,000 minus 49,000, so minus 41,000, that will be loss on sale of asset. Okay, next we are preparing in the books of Nilima. In the books of Nilima, machinery account under original cost method, depreciation at 10%, 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2020. Okay, date, particulars, amount. If you want to make LF column you can make another column, and date, particulars, amount, credit side. So 1st April 2007 to bank, purchase of machine 70,000. At the end of first year, that is 31st March 2018, by depreciation working note 1 we have seen full year depreciation 7,000. So debit side total is 70,000. From debit side total if you deduct 7,000 from 70,000, 31/3/2018 by balance carried down will become 63,000. First year depreciation तीसेसे closing balance 63,000. फर्स्ट ईयर डिप्रिसिएशन के बाद क्लोजिंग बैलेंस 63,000 है. नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए वो ओपनिंग बैलेंस हो जाएगा. सो फॉर द सेकंड ईयर 2018 onwards, 1st April 2018 two balance brought down, this will become opening balance 63,000. okay, 31/3/2019 by depreciation second year also original cost method same. First year whatever depreciation is there for full year that will be same. So 7,000 we need to deduct. So debit side total 63,000. 63,000 minus 7,000 by balance carried down it will become 56,000 if you deduct 63 minus 7. okay, second year depreciation tarvata closing balance ento ante 56,000. again final year 2019 okay to 20, 1st April 2019 two balance brought down 56,000, 31/3/2020 by depreciation. okay, by depreciation on the date of sale. okay, when you are selling on 31st March 2020. so from this date to this date how many months are there? 12 months. so always calculate depreciation from this date to this date. okay, डेबिट साइड डेट నుంచి क्रेडिट साइड डेट వరకు చూసుకోవాలి. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितने महीने हो रहा है वो देख के डिप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करना. सो 31/3/2020 बाय डिप्रिसिएशन वी राइट 7,000 एंड सेल वैल्यू बाय बैंक. इफ यू परचेज वी विल राइट टू बैंक. अगर परचेज करें तो टू बैंक लिख रहे, सेल करें तो बाय बैंक लिखना. ये सेल वैल्यू 8,000. okay, and working note 2 you can see working note 2 loss, profit and loss account 41,000. so that we will write. sir without doing, okay, from debit side total, okay, if you deduct this two, this balance you will get as a balancing figure. without doing this working note also you can do that, but my suggestion will be to do the working note because sometimes 2 to 3 machines will be there. at that time working note will help you. so here we need to write one more note point. it is assumed that accounting period followed is financial year. वो अकाउंटिंग पीरियड फाइनेंशियल ईयर फॉलो कर रहे बोल के एक अजम्पशन लेके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करें ఒక అజంప్షన్ తీసుకొని మనం సాల్వ్ చేసినాం సో దిస్ ఈజ్ अबाउट डिप्रिसिएशन फटाफट कर दिए अपन సో लाइक करो शेयर करो दोस्तों तक पहुंचा दो మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి షేర్ చేయాలి బికాజ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ my 80% of the viewers are not yet subscribed. If you not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. सीखते रहो क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. And one more thing, in this video description I'll put the answer. You can get the file from there. And one more information to you all, that you can go to the playlist, and in the playlist you will be having other related topics also. You can get it from there. Financial accounting 1 as well as for inter students, inter junior inter playlist is there. You can use them for the other topics. सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. जय हिंद.